If you don't have a lot of money and you're striving to start a clothing brand in 2025, this is the video for you, fam. The method that I will be showing you, bro, you can have as little as $30 to start your sample process. So pretty much at this point, you already have a design, you already talked to a manufacturer, and now you're at the checkout point. But damn, you probably ain't really got that much money. $30, fam. $30, and then you ain't gotta pay another 30 until like 2 more weeks.
Me some deal, the big one. Never would have thought I had the ball without you. The middle of summer, I'm feeling away.
I have an economical way for you to buy your sample for your bulk order. All right. So there's an app called Zip. Zip is an installment app that will allow you to pay off your purchase over a 2 months time period. All right. So every 2 weeks, you're putting 1/4 of whatever the purchase is. So say it's $100. You're paying $25 every 2 weeks. I'm telling y'all, man, this is the most economical way to get your business up and running.
I use Zip because everybody don't take Klarna or Afterpay. But with Zip, you're able to create a debit card that you can use virtually anywhere.
So I felt insane and I held tight to my selfish ways. Wouldn't seek help because I would self-medicate.
The other options are presented at checkout as well.
That's why I'm telling you now. I don't care if it's a race, I'ma set my own pace on my mark. Ready, set, go. I'm ashamed that I used to shift the blame when I hadn't done my part. Like say it ain't so. Really even took the time to just stop.
You can just type in Alibaba and go through the website, but I'm just going to create a virtual card. Rounding my total to $128. That puts me at 4 payments of $33.25. One-time use card.
I'm working on me. I'm talking 40 hours, no breaks, plenty of your teeth. That's real. See, my dream couldn't fit in your sleep. My zip code probably the same. I still do not live in your reach. I'm out of here. Don't ever think that you can hurt me. A peace of mind you will find on me if you search me. The goal is to live on earth without thinking of living earthly. I get off track, I just pray to God to alert me. I'll be ready though. Where we heading though?
And there you have it, a completed payment utilizing an installment app.
Alright, so as y'all see, that's how you buy your sample using an installment app. Of course, I showed y'all Zip, but I also showed you that there are options at checkout as well. The $30 is pretty much giving you like 120 balance. If you're starting with a tee, I mean, this is enough to cover a tee, a couple of tees. Like, I done bought a whole bunch of samples using this method. I'm telling y'all, man, out of all 3 apps, Zip is the best. I've paid my phone bill with Zip. I've gotten my windshield done with Zip. Concerts, hotel. Zip is that motherfucking app. Thanks for watching, fam. If this video helped, like, share, subscribe. Each one, teach one. Spread the knowledge. Don't gatekeep the game. We can all win. Peace, love, and light. And remember, in all that you do, keep the Most High God in mind. Allah Akbar.